Hey guys, I'm Dev, back with another Affinity Photo tutorial. Today I will show you super simple and effective broken text typography style in Affinity Photo. At first, select your document size. Here I am using HD 920 x 1080 size with 150 dpi. Let's put some dark color on it. Select Artistic Text tool. Make text color white. Select Bold Font. Increase type size and type anything you like. Do some adjustment and reposition it. Now here the main part. First select text layer, right click and make it rasterize. Now you can do this effect by pen tool. Make some break like this. But here I am going to use freehand selection tool. Now make a selection over the text. Here make some zigzag like this. Now take a move tool and move it how you like. Now do some more break on the text, apply same step with freehand selection tool. And that's it, breaking text done. But to give some pop out on the image, I'm going to add a shutter glass texture in a background. You can find this texture on Google search. And that's it, this is my final output. Now here I'm using dark black background. But if you use other color than darker black, then you can add some outer shadow on the text part. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Affinity Photo, then subscribe this Affinity Photo YouTube channel to get more amazing Affinity Photo effect tutorials. You can support me on my Instagram account, link in video description, and also you can check out the other amazing videos just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching, and I will back with another video soon. Till then, keep practicing cause practice makes us perfect, and have fun with Affinity Photo.